educating yourself doesn't mean you need to be a financial expert overnight. Start by building a solid foundation of knowledge, stay curious, and never stop learning. Hi there! Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into a world of investing. Today I have got an exciting topic for you. Invest like the wealthy. If you ever wonder how the rich grow their wealth through investing, you are in the right place. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. My name is Corey Ann, and I'm excited to share more of my real estate investment journey with you. In this video, we will walk you through some actionable steps that can kickstart your investing journey. So stay tuned. Investing like the wealthy typically involves combinations of financial knowledge, disciplines, and long-term perspective. Here are some steps to help you get started on your investing journey. Number 1 is educate yourself. Begin by gaining a solid understanding of different investment options, strategies, and financial concepts. Read books, articles, and reputable websites about investing. Consider taking courses and seeking advice from trusted professionals. Education is the key to unlock your financial potential. When it comes to investing, knowledge is power. So let's dive into why educating yourself is crucial for your financial success. By educating yourself about different investment options, strategies, and financial concepts, you gain the knowledge to make informed decisions. You would understand the risks, rewards, and potential pitfalls associated with various investments, allowing you to choose wisely. Investing always carries risk, but educations help you mitigate those risks. When you understand the market dynamics, historical trends, and economic factors that impact the investments, you can make more calculated choices and minimizing the chances of making costly mistakes. The investment landscape is constantly evolving. By staying informed and educated, you will be able to identify emerging trends and new investment vehicles and lucrative opportunities that may align with your goals. Education helps you stay ahead of the curve. Taking charge of your financial future requires empowerment, and education provides that. By learning about investing, you become self-reliant and less dependent on others to make financial decisions for you. You will have the confidence to navigate the investment world on your own terms. The financial world is constantly evolving, and ongoing education ensures you stay up to date with the latest trends, regulations, and investment strategies. It's a lifelong learning process that allows you to adapt, grow, and refine your investment approach over time. Remember, educating yourself doesn't mean you need to be a financial expert overnight. Start by building a solid foundation of knowledge, stay curious, and never stop learning. By investing in your own education, you invest in your financial future. Step number 2 is set clear financial goals. Define your investment objective, determines what you want to achieve and the time frame you have in mind. Whether it's saving for a retirement, buying a property, or funding your children's educations, having a clear goals will help guide your investment decisions. The biggest financial decision is buying your first home. And if this is your objective, then you will set a goal to save for the down payment. Number 3 is build an emergency fund. Before diving into investing, establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim for at least 6 to 9 months worth of living expenses in the liquid and easily accessible account. Things do happen out of our control. Plan for the unexpected so you are in the strong financial footing to appropriately respond as needed. Number 4, create a budget and save. Develop a budget that allows you to save a portion of your income regularly. By living within your means and setting aside money, you would have capital available for investing. Number 5, start with retirement account. If available, take advantage of tax advantage retirement accounts such as 401k or individual retirement accounts, IRA. These accounts provide tax benefits and can help you build a retirement nest egg. Considering participating in a retirement fund to the limit where your company matches your contributions so you don't leave any money on the table. Number 6, diversify your investment. Spread your investment across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and potential alternative investment like private equity funds. Diversification helps reduce risk by not put all eggs in one basket. And of course, only invest in assets that you understand. Number 7, choose low-cost index funds or ETF. Consider investing low index funds or exchange-traded fund or ETFs. This investment vehicle provide broad market exposure and tend to have lower fees compared to active managed fund. You can check out some of the Vanguard ETFs that offer low-cost fee. Number 8, invest for the long term. Wealthy investors take a long-term approach, avoiding making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Stick to your investment plan and allow your investment to grow over time. Number 9, rebalance your portfolio. Regularly review and rebalance your investment portfolio over time. Certain investments may perform better or worse, leading to an imbalance. Rebalancing involves adjusting your holding to maintain your desired asset allocations. The last one is seek professional advice. Consider consult with a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance based on your specific circumstances and goals. Professionals can help you develop an investment strategy and provide ongoing support. Remember, investing involves risk and it's crucial to be aware of the potential downsides. It's also important to stay up to date on market trends and adapt your strategy as needed. And that is wrap on investing like a wealthy today. I hope you found these steps helpful and inspiring. Remember, the path to financial success is within your reach. By educating yourself, setting clear goals, and adopting a long-term perspective, you can make your money work for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell so that you will never miss an update. If you have any question or want to share your investment experience, leave the comment below. Until next time, happy investing. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao!